In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for Rust. This guide will take you through the process of setting up your Rust project and integrating Claude Code to enhance your development experience. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once the PowerShell window is open, you will create a new Rust project. Type in the command imad gdir my Rust app and press enter. This action will create a new directory named my Rust app. Next, navigate into this newly created directory by entering cd my Rust app and pressing enter. After that, initialize the Rust project by typing cargo init and hitting. This will generate two important files, quote cargo.toml, quote, for project metadata and quote src/main.rs, quote, for your main Rust code. Now that your project is set up, you need to ensure that Rust is installed on your system. To check if Rust is installed, type Rust installed, type Rust enter. If a version number appears, Rust is successfully installed. If nothing appears or an error is shown, you will need to install Rust using the RustUp installer. Follow the instructions provided on the RustUp website to complete the installation. Next, confirm that Claude Code is installed on your system. In PowerShell, type Claude-version and press enter if a version number displays Claude Code is installed correctly. If you encounter an error, you may need to install Claude Code before proceeding. If you are logging into Claude Code for the first time, type Claude login in PowerShell and press enter. This action will automatically open your default web browser, prompting you to log into your Claude account. Enter your credentials in the browser window and complete the login process. Once finished, return to PowerShell. To start using Claude Code inside your Rust project, make sure you are still in the project folder, type Claude in PowerShell and press enter. This command allows Claude to access the contents of your project, including the quote cargo.toml quote file, the surfy folder, and all the .rs files. At this point, you can begin typing commands for Claude. For example, you could request to convert this into a library crate, add a REST API using Actix, refactor this into modules, or fix this borrow checker error. Each command will guide Claude to assist you in your Rust development. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.